What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're giving you guys a full update on CloudMD as they've been up to some really exciting things. We talked about this stock for a long time, guys. I felt like it was time for an update. The share price has done exceptionally well, and as we know, telemedicine, really great time for telemedicine, guys. So we're going to get straight into this video. Last but not least, I wanted to say this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure. And of course, if you support me, the channel, and all the videos, then I kindly ask for two quick things, and that first thing, of course, is to explode the like button. It takes just 1 second of your time, and it helps my video so very much, along with if you are a new viewer to the channel, haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, but you appreciate constant steady updates on the markets and updates on companies just like this, of course, then don't forget to cash that subscribe button and ring the mark bell for notifications, and let's get straight into this awesome update, guys. So as we know, telemedicine, it's a fantastic time right now for telemedicine. And as we can see, since this summer, CloudMD has absolutely been on fire. From 58 cents all the way up to 52-week highs of 343. It now has a $351 million market cap and currently trades for $2.65. So we are substantially off of those 52-week highs. But the chart still does look really good. And to be honest, this pullback looks like a really interesting time to take a look at the stock. So let's take a look first at some of their most recent news, and then we're going to go over their investor presentation and revisit their website. Of course, you can check out their website, and that is simply cloudmd.ca. So most recent news, CloudMD signs definitive agreement to acquire a profitable rehabilitation clinic center. Cash flow positive business with $5.8 million in annual revenues and EBITDA margins north of 19%. RE Function Health Group is an integrated network of 8 clinics with 38 specialists and allied health professionals offering various rehabilitation services. This includes occupational therapists, physiotherapists, kinesiologists, psychologists, counselors, and psychiatrists. Important healthcare solution that provides assessments for enterprise clients, insurers, and corporations for long-term disability claims and return to work outcomes. So we're going to read 2 more bullet points, and then we're going to get into the next round of news, which is very significant because the company did in fact just close a really awesome private placement. The company did in fact just close a really awesome bought deal financing, so they'll have plenty of cash for future initiatives or future growth opportunities. So this acquisition provides CloudMD with RE Function patients with a comprehensive single stop for their healthcare needs. The acquisition is immediately accretive, with the existing CloudMD patient base gaining access to clinical services offered by RE Function through the use of CloudMD's suite of health technology tools and virtual health platform implemented with RE Function. So it's nice to see them making these types of acquisitions, and it's nice, you know, that the business already has $5.8 million in revenue and EBITDA margins north of 19%. So let's take a look and see, you know, what happened when it came to their most recent bought deal financing, and it was oversubscribed, and that's at $37.26 million. They announced that it closed the previously announced short form prospectus offering on a bought deal basis. That's 15.5 million common shares at a price of $2.40 per share for net proceeds of $37.26 million. So they will be fully financed and fully funded with that extra $37 million in the bank. And as we can see here, guys, the stock is still trading despite raising money around $240. The stock only got as low as $244 by the looks of it. So things are looking really good for CloudMD. And then last but not least, we have the third piece of news before we dive into the investor presentation and highlight a few quick things. CloudMD to acquire HumanaCare, an industry leader in employment health services, providing a transformational platform that promotes short and long-term health and wellness. Provides employee health services with over 5,000 corporate clients, 1 million employees and family members by utilizing a clinical network of over 3,500 clinicians. HumanaCare provides employees and family members with industry-leading short-term support through nurse triage for everyday life challenges. Integrated with CloudMD's enterprise services, the solution will offer a comprehensive, holistic approach to healthcare, which includes telemedicine, triaging, on-demand mental health support, and educational health resources. CloudMD will have the only employee assistance solution to deliver care plans to employees for short-term, long-term, and chronic care. 2 more bullet points, guys. CloudMD will be able to optimize the cross-sell into HumanaCare's current client network, immediately accretive with significant annualized revenue run rate based on signed contracts of approximately 3.3 million and projected EBITDA margins greater than 19% with near-term optimization synergies. So the company has clearly been up to a lot of different things. I really like to see them putting their capital to use, making strategic acquisitions like their acquisition of RE Function, rehabilitation clinics, expanding that network, that patient base. It's really cool to see a company like this grow. So let's quickly take a look at their investor presentation just to go over a couple quick things, and then that will be it for the video, guys. So CloudMD, the doctor will see you now investor presentation, and this is their most recent one as of October. Experienced management team of doctors with over 100 years of combined experience, strongly positioned in the $3.5 trillion US healthcare industry, patient-centric approach with a diverse business-to-business and business-to-consumer platform and multiple revenue streams. Strategic multi-pronged North American expansion plan, well-funded with strong pipeline of M&A to scale and grow the business quickly, significant discount to industry peers, significant revenue growth in the last 2 years. So we all know that, the healthcare system is dramatically changing, and that's just been sped up so much by this global illness. So universal healthcare systems are broken. So what are some of the problems? Rising costs, insufficient use of resources, doctor supply, and accessibility. As a Canadian, I know how hard it is to go see a doctor if there is a problem. A lot of Canadians will just avoid the doctor just because of the long wait times. So 39% of Canadians who visited an ER indicated that they could have avoided the visit if they had better access to primary care. Governments and payers facing increasing costs that are simply unsustainable. Healthcare costs are 2 times higher in the US than other countries. According to the CDC, 90% of the $3.5 trillion healthcare spending in the US is on chronic conditions. A shortage of primary care, doctors and nurses, especially in remote and rural communities, leads to clinical burnout and patients frustrated by long wait times. Approximately 15% of Canadians aged 12 and older don't have a primary care physician. 25% of Americans don't have a primary care doctor. Over 30 million people did not have healthcare insurance in the US. 3.5 billion people, that's accounting for more than half of the world's population, don't have access to basic healthcare services. So let's take a quick look at their overview and then a few more quick slides, and then that will be it for the video, guys. So whole person approach to healthcare delivery with resources for patients and doctors. So patient medical software, medical hybrid clinics, mental health support, access to specialists, educational resources, and then of course pharmacies and kiosks. And this is a very efficient system. The doctor hybrid clinic, telemedicine enterprise solutions. So electronic medical records, scheduling flexibility, telemedicine software, educational resources, and billing software. So you can do everything, the billing, the prescription, the consultation. A lot of it can be done simply, through this system, which is really awesome and efficient. Patient-focused solution. 24/7 real-time online booking followed by confirmation and reminder system. Review medical chart and lab results in real time. Secure chat with medical professionals. Connect health monitoring devices. Reorder prescriptions and have delivery directly to the door. Skip the waiting room and see physician from the comfort of your own home or office via telemedicine, and AI virtual assistant will be able to assist the patient perform tasks such as taking patient history and triaging for the doctor. Very, very efficient, guys. And if we think about it, that is in fact, the future of healthcare. This is the future of healthcare. Going to the doctor, seeing him, waiting, all that stuff, it's really not efficient. We're quickly going to talk about what they have in terms of their infrastructure. So 14 clinics across North America, 95 professionals, 500,000 patients. Pharmacies, 2 pharmacies in BC, 32 professionals, and 20 years of management and experience. This is really cool too. Simple, slim kiosk that enables video visits, pre-configured telehealth charts to achieve real-time diagnostic input and clinical evaluations. Attached peripherals enable modified physical exams, recurring monthly revenue for renting equipment, increased foot traffic for virtual visits, and it provides 2 revenue streams. So head on over to cloudmd.ca if you do want to dive more into their investor presentation or get more information about the company, but you guys get the gist of it. It's a very interesting sector. It's a very, it's going to be a high growth sector. Telemedicine has already proven itself to be a very profitable sector, and we know that there's problems in the healthcare industry. So CloudMD already has been a very successful company, and I look forward to covering their story, potentially getting some more interviews for you guys. The stock has performed very, very well. For anyone who was looking at the stock even earlier this year, it's crazy. It's gone up by over 500%. So that just goes to show the growth in the industry. And we've seen so many companies that are well over $1 billion. So at $350 million, I think that the valuation is still relatively low compared to some of the other telemedicine stocks. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Take a look at CloudMD. Always remember guys, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice, and once again, this video was sponsored by CloudMD. Full disclosure details in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video.